Hello guys, welcome back to Strategy FX channel, your number one for binary trading, crypto, and also forex. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you another strategy for rise and fall. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So for this strategy, we are going to concentrate on the previous candle and also the candle, the first few seconds of the next candle that is being formed. So make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm going to take some live trading on this market. So for this strategy, it usually goes like this. What we are going to look for here, we are going to look for if a candle opens green. So you can see this one, it's green, it's red. If a candle opens green and stays green within the first 5 seconds, we are going to take a buy. And if a candle opens red and stays red within the first 5 seconds, we are going to take a fall. But this strategy, it's a bit tricky because if the candles they keep changing colors, there is a bit of indecision from the start of the candle. It is a bit risky, and I would advise you not to trade the market. So we're going to wait for this this candle to end, and then we follow that strategy. So we are going to, for me, I usually look for the previous candle to see what I'm going to look for. So this one, it's red, so we are going to wait for the first 5 seconds. You can see the first 15 or the 10 seconds it was a rise. Although I entered the market, it might be a fall. Reason being, this candle, it's a bit smaller, meaning the market might try to come down here to sweep the downward, the down liquidity. So let's see. You can see I entered a rise, but the market is falling. So if I was entering a rise, the previous candle has to be also green. So let's wait and see if I win this market. Although my prediction, it's a fall, by the I did enter a rise because the candle was green. So see, it's a loss. So if the first 5 seconds, you can see the first 5, it's red, so I'm not going to trade that market. So as I have explained to you, I only look for the first 5 seconds. If the previous candle is green, the next candle has to be green within the first 5 seconds for me to enter for a rise. And if it's not green, it's red, I'm not going to trade. So let me switch to another volatility so that we can take our trade. So this one, it's red, so we are going to concentrate so much on the first 5 seconds of the candlestick. So 5 remaining, so we have to be keen and wait for this one. I'm predicting a fall, so I'm going to look for 5 seconds, 59, 58, 56, 50. So within 5 seconds, it has shifted to red. I don't know if you have seen that. So let's see our market, how it goes. So we are going to wait for a while, and also I usually advise you can choose to exit the market maybe after 10 seconds. It usually depends with what you have used as your stake or what you are targeting as your profit. So I can choose to exit with, you see how market has shifted. I wanted to exit the market with 5, and I did click and exited with 2, but it's okay. So you can see this one, it's a win with the strategy that I have described to you. So let me change to another one. Also make sure you check the support and resistance, and so that you can know what is controlling the market. I usually advise you to switch to sorry, to 5 minutes so that you can know. So you can see in 5 minutes buyers are gaining momentum. So let's come to 1 minute. So that's the trick I usually use in all my trades. So this one I'm going to avoid it because you can see it's creating high, low, high, low, high. So it might go up. Yeah. So let me change to another volatility. And as I have told you, we are in New York's session, so the market moves rapidly. So let's wait for this one and then we enter the market. So we are going to concentrate on the first 5 seconds. So if it's still green, 59, red, 56, 55. So I'm not going to trade this market. So if it did switch to green like that within the first 5 seconds, I have entered the market, but within, I think, 10 seconds. I don't trade after 5 seconds. So let's see. So this one was a good market, although I entered a bit late, but I usually concentrate on the first 5 seconds. But you can practice this strategy with 5 seconds to 10 seconds and see what works for you. So that's also a win. Let's switch to another volatility so that we can see if we are going to get another entry point. So this one is green. We are going to wait for the next candle. So if it forms greens within, let's say 5 to 10 seconds, we are going to go with uh, 55, 56. Let's go with a rise. Sorry, not a fall. So let's see. So we can choose to exit the market once we get our profit, or if you see like the market is going down within the first 30 seconds, you can exit with the loss that you're comfortable with. So let's see. So this one I'm going to give it a benefit of doubt and wait for it. So let's wait and see how it goes. So I'm going to exit. I don't know if it's have delayed, but it's okay. So for our strategy, we have gotten another profit. So let's switch to another volatility. So the trick for this is to concentrate. So I'm going to avoid this one and switch to another. So for the last one, I'm going to do with this one and see how it goes. So let's wait. Okay. So 15 seconds and let's see. And also another thing about this strategy, when you're looking at one candle in the previous candle. So let's say the previous candle was a hammer, and then the next candle forms within 5 seconds it shows an uptrend. You can enter that market because the previous one, it's a confirmation that the market might go up. So I'm going to exit with this loss because I can see there is a bit of indecision. So I'm going to exit with a bit of the loss. So a negative, but it has gone up, but it's okay. Let me change to another volatility to see how it goes. Wow, this is a good strategy, a good entry point. So let's wait for it within the first 5 seconds. If it's that's a fall. Let's wait. So we have entered a bit late, but that's all. So guys, go ahead and practice this strategy. So the previous one I did show you was of the same. the same color. For this one, it's for alternating candles. So it's just that simple. I can choose to exit the market with the first uh, 30 seconds, or I wait for it to go for 1 minute. So also the good thing about trading rise and fall within 1 minute, it's because you can exit the market in between. Let's say you're staking $1, you can choose to maybe exit the market if you have a loss of 0.3. Unlike when you're using ticks, you know, when you're using tick, it's a bit unpredictable. Let's say you have gone with a rise. I have just clicked so that one, it's one tick. For other strategy, it's about 5 ticks. For this one, you can't exit the market, like you can't exit with the profit that you have. So let's see. You see the first one was a profit, the second one was a loss, profit, loss. So you can't exit when you have that profit. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. See you in my next video, and I hope you're learning from this channel. Bye.